In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the size of a design in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the Canva homepage, open the design you want to resize or click Create a Design to start a new project. After the editor opens, look at the top of the screen for the resize option. Click on Resize to open the size settings. Next, enter the new width and height you want for your design. You can choose different measurement units such as pixels, inches, or centimeters depending on your project. If you want all the elements in your design to adjust automatically, make sure the option to resize content is selected. Then click Resize to apply the new dimensions. If you want to keep the original design and create a new version with the new size, choose the Copy and Resize option instead. Canva will instantly create a resized version of your design with the updated dimensions. That is how you change the size of a design in Canva.